How to buy BTC on spot on Binance. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can buy BTC on spot on Binance. So for that, first of all, open your Binance account, and after coming to your Binance app, you'll be able to see something like this. Now come down and click on this trade option at the bottom, in the bottom center, this trade one. So after coming on trade, you'll see something like this. So these are your open orders. If you have any, they'll be displayed over here. So now you can either click on buy or either sell. If you want to sell BTC, you can just click on sell, but now if you want to buy, you can just write down buy. Here you have to specify the limit, that what is either you're buying it in limit or market or stop limit, stop market, whichever, just specify it. And then here you have to write the price of USDT in which you want to buy. You have to pay in USDT, and then it will be transferred in BTC. Write down the BTC amount, or it will just convert. Okay, for example, I want to type down BTC this much amount. So when we convert that into USDT, this will be the price of buying BTC in USDT. So after, you can either check TPSL or iceberg, and now this is the available USDT. I don't have any USDT right now, so that's why it's written 0. But if you do have any USDT, it will be written over here if you have USDT on your Binance. So once you've written these, so just check if the details are okay, and then just click on buy. And after clicking on buy, you have to specify payment method, and after that, you'll be able to see after some time that the BTC has been transferred to your Binance account. So that was how you can buy BTC on spot at Binance. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.